Hey everybody, so got a quick tool haul to do, so please stick around, check out the video, and it's from Home Depot, some Milwaukee tools, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright, so the package is, so the package is quite large. This is what I got from Home Depot. Just for whatever reason, they wouldn't do this in store for me. I found the individual part numbers and tried to see if I could just get the parts, the tools in the store and the battery, and they refused. They said that they couldn't do it in their system, which I kind of think is a bunch of bull crap, because they tried to tell me they couldn't change the price from $179 to $229 for the item. But, you know, it is what it is. Alright. So here's the free 6 amp hour that I got with this kit. That was the trade-off for this kit. You can get for $179 right now, but which is the M12 fuel, part number 2598-22. The 2-tool combo comes with a 4 and a 2, and you get a free 6. So box looks a little worn, but should be alright. This kit is the kit that I found at the Phoenix Home Depot. They had them. They had 4 or 5 of them, but they wouldn't sell me this kit and tack it to the $229 and then just me pick up the free 6. They said that because the part number 2598-22 and the part number for the battery 48-11-2460, these two part numbers were conjoined on Home Depot's website. And the drill, hammer drill, is 2504-20, and the impact driver is 2553-20. Says most capable 12-volt competitor, 3/8 chuck for the competitor. This hammer drill has a 1/2-inch chuck. Gives just fast driving speeds. Competitor tool belt, portable, less fatigue. Gives information on a bag, the charger, 4, a 2, impact driver, a hammer drill. Specifications for the hammer drill is RPM 0 to 1700 RPM. It's got a variable speed trigger. Torque is 350 inch-pounds. Beats per minute is 25,500. It's pretty impressive for a 12-volt tool. Chuck is a 1/2-inch metal chuck. Length is 6.6 inches. Weight is 2.81 pounds, or 2.8 pounds. Sorry about that. The specifications for the impact driver are anvil type 1/4-inch hex driver, peak torque 1300 inch-pounds. RPMs is for speed 1 is 1300, speed 2 is 2400, and speed 3 is 3300. And it also has a variable speed trigger between 0 and 3300. IPM is 0 to 4000. Drive control, 4 modes. Single hand bit insertion, yes. Length 5.616 inches. Weight 2.18 pounds. Oh, and the 4th mode is the auto mode. So that's what I picked up from Home Depot. It was $229 for this kit with a free 6, which is $100 value. This kit, if you just want to pick this kit up and you don't care about the free 6, you can get it for $179 at Home Depot in store or online. I will do the unboxing in a separate video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, comments, criticisms down below, and give a shout out to Hard Knocks Forge for turning me on to some of these M12 kits. And I'll leave a card up here for Hard Knocks Forge. You guys go check him out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for spending your time on watching my video. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.